Hello students. So welcome in the class. We are going to start with the new chapter number first, that is the Harappan civilization of history. So from villages to towns, the beginning of civilization, how the civilization started. In the Neolithic age, the last part of the Stone Age. Okay, Neolithic age was the age that was the last part of Stone Age. Okay, means when stone was used. Men lived in small villages at that time. They lived in small villages. With the passage of time, population increased and larger villages appeared. So as the time has passed, with the passage of time, population also increased and the people, they started living in larger villages. Okay, as population increased, man's needs expanded, so their needs, they become more larger. Okay, the need of man, it became larger. Further, the larger villages grew into cities and town. Further means more. Okay, so more villages were there. Okay, now they started growing into cities and towns. As a result, many new arts, skills, crafts and occupations also developed side by side. So what was the result? The population was increasing, so like that only the other things also, they also developed, like new arts developed, new skills means new talents were there in people, crafts and occupation. Okay, new types of occupation, people started new types of occupation also developed side by side. Trade and commerce and many other manufacturing enterprises also developed. Trade and commerce, commerce is also an activity, commerce you can say it is an activity of buying and selling the products. Okay, so trade and commerce and other manufacturing to manufacture the products. Enterprises, manufacturing business also developed, so many other types of business they developed. All this brought about a new lifestyle. When man began to live in towns, it marked the beginning of civilization. So when people, they started to live in towns, it may mark the starting, or you can say beginning of civilization. Four civilizations of the Bronze Age, means Bronze Age, this when means they started using copper or iron. Okay, so four civilizations, there appeared four civilizations in the Bronze Age. These are mentioned: the Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization, then the Mesopotamian civilization or the Tigris Euphrates civilization, the Chinese civilization and the Egyptian civilization. These both civilizations are not prescribed in the syllabus. Okay, they are not in the syllabus. Now the Indus Valley or the Harappan civilization. Origin of the Harappan civilization means the originality, when it started. In 1921, R.B. Dayaram Sahni, an Indian archaeologist. Who is an archaeologist? Archaeologist is a person who studies human history. Okay, so an Indian archaeologist found a number of seals. What is a seal? Seal is a device for making an impression in wax. Okay, so it is a type of device that is used to make impression in wax, in clay, in paper or some other medium. Okay, so it was R.B. Dayaram Sahni, he found a number of seals from the village Harappa. Okay, he found it from there, that is in West Punjab, now in Pakistan. Okay, so now it is in Pakistan. Next year in 1922, a huge city was excavated hidden under the sands and bricks of Harappa. So next year means in 1922. Okay, a huge city was excavated. Excavate means to dig out. Okay, they dig out hidden under the sands, that was under the city was under the sands and under the bricks of Harappa. The same year, R.D. Banerjee made similar excavations in Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, now in Pakistan. So in the same year means in 1922, that R.D. Banerjee, he also made some excavations. Okay, he also dig out some cities in Mohenjo-daro in Sindh. Okay, now it is also in Pakistan. Thus, the archaeology department of the then government of India unearthed one of the greatest ancient civilization of the world, known as the Indus Valley civilization. or the Harappan civilization. So the archaeology department, means those who are studying about human history, that department, what they have told, then the government of India, they unearthed means find in the ground by digging. They have digged and they have, you can say, digged out a city, that is Harappa, okay, and it came to be known as the Harappan civilization or the Indus Valley civilization. Then the discovery of this civilization was an epoch making event, means it was a change in the history of India, okay. The discovery of this civilization, it marked a change in the history of India. It now became clear that history of India began from 2500 BC instead of 1000 BC, okay. The Harappan culture belongs to the Bronze Age. So during this Harappan period, people started using copper or iron products, okay. So it belonged to the Bronze Age. Therefore, the Indus Valley civilization is also known as Bronze Age civilization. Age of Harappan civilization. John Marshall, the Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India, who personally supervised the excavation work in 1921 to 22, puts the age of this civilization from around 4000 BC to 2500 BC. So John Marshall, okay, he was the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, okay, he was the head. So who personally, means he himself, he supervised, he looked out after the excavation work, means the digging work that was done in 1921 or 22. He puts the age of this civilization from around, means 4000 to 2500 BC. But the radio dating process puts the date of this civilization between 2300 BC to 1700 BC. So, but the radio dating process means, you can say, with the help of that radio is what we come to know, okay. So with that process, the date was finalized between 2300 to 1700 BC. Most historians have accepted the date as established by radio dating method, means date materials, the date which they have got, okay, that is you can say marked on the rocks, okay. So they have accepted that dates. Sources of Harappan civilization. Our main sources of the Harappan civilization are the archaeological evidences. Evidences are the proofs, okay. From where we come to know about the sources, they are the archaeological proofs, means the proofs which you can say that are on the rocks or on the buildings, okay, that are made on the pottery or that things, okay. These include, the sources are the ruins of the ancient cities. Ruin means to destroy, okay, the things which are destroyed of the ancient cities, buildings, pottery, seals, toys, weights and measures, ornaments, tools and weapons. All these things tell us about the Harappan civilization. Ornaments means things that we wear to decorate ourselves, okay. Then extent of the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization extended over 1600 km from Harappa. It covered the area of 1600 km from Harappa in Larkana district. Okay, Harappa was in the Larkana district, and Mohenjo-daro in Montgomery districts to Karachi and Lothal ports. So these areas it was covering. Then Kot, Dighi, Chanhu-daro and Satka Agandar, all in Pakistan. Okay, these all are in Pakistan. And Kalibangan, Rupar, Alam, Girpur, Kotla Nehang, Sanghol, Mithal, Banawali, Lothal and Rangpur. Recently another site at Dholavira in Punjab in India has been found. So this is in India, Dholavira, it is in India. Okay, it was also the time period when Harappan civilization was there. The civilization included some of the lands covered by rivers. Okay, this civilization, it covered the land that was covered with the rivers that are Satluj, Ravi, Beas, Chenab, Jhelum and Indus. As civilization existed on Indus river bank or in Indus river valley, so it was also called the Indus Valley civilization. So this civilization, it existed means it was on the bank, or you can say on the border of Indus river, okay, or in Indus Valley. So that's why it is known as Indus Valley civilization. As Harappa was the first site that was excavated, it has come to be known as Harappan civilization. So Harappa, it was the first site that was digged out. Okay, this was the first civilization that was digged out, so it was known as the Harappan civilization. So This was the introduction also about the Harappan civilization. I hope that this much clear to you. We will meet in next video with the next topic. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.